Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this 4 channel 1000 watt audio power amplifier. It is not powering on. Let's see what is the problem. To save the time, I removed its all brackets and heatsink mountings. It's one power transistor disconnected from this board, so it is here. First of all, we will see why it is not powering on, and then we will troubleshoot the next circuit, because the basic requirement for the circuit, that is the power supply. For that purpose, I connected this ground wire and this positive wire here, positive and remote on. Ground, remote and positive, we will connect together. I will apply positive voltage here and the ground supply here. We will make this common here. Positive voltage must here 12 volt, the same voltage at fuse input, fuse output voltage are reaching here. Then these voltage are reaching here, okay, at the transformer. And if we check at the output of this transformer and rectifiers, here we don't have any voltage. At both power capacitors, at these capacitors we don't have any voltage. Here it is using TL494. We will connect commonly to pin number 7. It is here, and we will check seven, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pin number 12 don't have any voltage. So this is our basic requirement. The VCC is not reaching here, and if we check the voltage here, these voltage are reaching here at this pin. This is our main supply, that is through the fuse, and this is the remote supply which will reach to pin number 12 after this safety network. Let's see where is the problem. This is our remote circuit. When we select power amplifier, at that time this network will start working and it will provide power to pin number 12. This is our remote pin here, and this pin is reaching here at these two resistors, and this resistor will reach to this transistor, base, collector. Wow, emitter don't have anything. That means this transistor have problem. And if we check here, 12, 0, 12. This time we have 9, 10, 11, 12. It is 397 millivolt. That is from this zener. That means we need to check these components. This transistor, this transistor. Now I will remove this transistor. I removed this transistor. Now let's check it. Yes, this transistor is open circuit. C945 to SC945 transistor, very simple signal transistor, switching transistor. This time I don't have C945 transistor. See, I have C2SC1815. It is the same NPN emitter collector base, and our this transistor, it was also emitter collector base, so we can replace this transistor with this one. It will work. We will connect in the same direction. Now I replace this transistor C945 with C1815 in the same direction. We installed in the same direction, and let's power it on. 12 volt return here and positive 12 volt here. Wow, wonderful. The light is now turned on, and now we can check the supply on this TL494. It was our first detection that it was not, the IC was not receiving power at 9, 10, 11, 12. Pin number 12. Pin number 12 must have VCC voltage, supply voltage. This supply is coming from this pin. Let me check again. From this pin, that is remote on command, and then it will reach at this transistor network, and finally it will come out from this diode. That is a small rectifier here, and this supply is now here at 12 number pin, and then it will create a reference voltage 4.8855 volt. So this time the IC started working, and if we check the voltage on these capacitors, 26 volt, 26, 26. That's wonderful. So in this session we diagnose this problem, and in upcoming session we will see its audio circuit, how this audio power amplifier is working, how these push-pull transistors are working to drive high power, because it have 4 channels, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.